Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to address a common frustration, a slow computer. If your computer feels sluggish and unresponsive, don't worry. We've got some effective tips and tricks to speed it up and get it running smoothly in 2023. Let's dive in. Check for malware and viruses. The first step in speeding up your computer is to ensure it's free from malware and viruses. Run a comprehensive scan using reliable antivirus software to detect and remove any malicious programs that could be slowing down your system. Clean up disk space. Over time, our computers accumulate unnecessary files and data, eating up valuable disk space. To regain some speed, let's clean up that clutter. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool or third-party software to remove temporary files, old downloads, and unused applications. Disable startup programs. Many programs automatically launch when you start your computer, which can significantly slow down the boot time. Take control of your startup programs by opening the Task Manager, Ctrl+Shift+ESC, navigating to the Startup tab, and disabling unnecessary programs from launching at startup. Optimize system performance settings. Your computer's performance can be improved by tweaking some settings. Head to the Control Panel or Settings menu and adjust the visual effects to prioritize performance over visual appeal. You can also adjust the power settings to ensure your computer is running at maximum performance. Update drivers and software. Outdated drivers and software can cause compatibility issues and hinder system performance. Check for updates for your operating system, graphics card, and other crucial drivers. Additionally, keep your applications up to date to benefit from bug fixes and performance improvements. Upgrade hardware components. If you've tried the previous steps and your computer is still slow, it might be time for a hardware upgrade. Consider increasing your RAM, upgrading your hard drive to a solid-state drive (SSD), or even upgrading your processor if it's feasible and within your budget. Perform regular maintenance. To keep your computer running smoothly, it's important to perform regular maintenance tasks. This includes running disk checks, defragmenting your hard drive, if not using an SSD, and keeping your system organized by organizing files into proper folders. There you have it, our tips and tricks to speed up your slow computer in 2023. By following these steps, you can optimize your computer's performance and enjoy a faster, more responsive experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy computing!